If you tracked sales on paper, in a spreadsheet, or in another system, you can bring that history into LaundryVerse from a CSV file. Imported sales become receipts that count toward your reports and your customer history. They are not added to the order board because these are finished sales, not active laundry jobs. Click the Import CSV button on the Receipts page to open the importer. Download the template to get a file with the right columns. Fill in one line item per row and give the rows of one sale the same receipt number so they group into a single receipt. Upload your filled-in file. LaundryVerse reads it right away and tells you how many receipts it found. Review what it found. Any row with a problem, like a date that is not in year, month, day order, or a missing amount, is listed here with the reason and left out. The good rows still import, so a few bad rows never block the rest. Click Import. The receipts are created in the background and a summary appears when it finishes. When it is done, you see how many receipts came in. Imported sales show up in your list with an IMP receipt number, so they are easy to tell apart from your everyday sales. If anything looks off, click Undo this import. Every receipt from that run is removed in one step. Fix your file and import again whenever you are ready. Heads up, importing past sales needs the View All Receipts permission, which the owner and admin roles have by default. A manager can view receipts but will not see the Import CSV button, so ask an owner if you need it.